How to delete eToro account. Now, before deleting your eToro account, there are several things that I would like to discuss. First of all, if you have any open positions, make sure to close all of them. Withdraw all the funds in your cash available balance, and contact customer service if you have an eToro money account, right? And after you've done this, also remember that once you close your account, it cannot be reopened. However, you can open a new account with the same username and email address. Now, in order to delete our eToro account, you want to simply open the eToro application and make sure to log into your eToro account. So make sure to open the app, log into your account by tapping the sign in button. Once you've done that, just go to the account settings page, and once done, click on the close your eToro account at the bottom of the page. From there, you can follow the on-screen instructions to basically go ahead and then delete your eToro account. So that's all it takes for you to delete your eToro account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.